What is going on everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Chrono Ark on your PC or laptop. As you can see, I'm at my Google browser and after that we will tick in Chrono Ark. Just click on it and after that you will see a link to the Steam store. Head over to the Steam store and if you want to play this game on your PC, just scroll all the way down and follow these steps accurately, because there are some system requirements to download and play this game on your PC or laptop. Make sure you meet these requirements and after that you can go back up and check out some information about this game on the right side of this page. Also check out the trailer. If you like this game, you can also check out the screenshots about this game. And if you decide you want to play this game, just click on Add to Cart. And after that, you can click on View My Cart. Now, follow these steps accurately to start playing this game on your computer or PC. And click on Continue to Payment. Now you have to log into your Steam account. And after that, you can purchase and download this game for your laptop or PC. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!